So now we've sent up our jobs for training in the cloud. We can connect to the cloud and take a look at these jobs. So the first thing you'll notice is when you connect to your cloud is that you can see all of your teammates' jobs, and this allows you to easily work with your teammates. But what we're going to do is we're going to navigate to the bottom of the list, which is my account, and then we're going to open this siren detection project that we see. And then you essentially see all of your models that have been trained. So for each one of them, you get the performance metrics. And we're going to sort by the validation accuracy and take the best model there. So in this, you'll be able to see the confusion matrix for the different sets. One thing to notice is that we don't have any test accuracy because at the beginning of the project, we selected that we only want to have a validation set. And for this reason, you're also missing the accuracy plots. So if we navigate to the validation statistics, we can also see different metrics that are available for us. And we can also adjust the display units, but we'll keep it as percentage for now. Next thing is we're going to download all of the parts. So what you'll get is some sample input and output data. You get the TensorFlow H5 model. You get some min-max information for the weights. And then you also get the predictions. So if you hit download and then select your folder, and we're going to have it in the model folder alongside the previous model that we had. And then it will start to download all of these parts. So if you take a look at the downloaded folders, the first thing is you notice that it's not there, so it's always important to refresh, and then now it actually shows up. So we will select this, and you can see we have our old model and the new model, so this makes it easy to compare. We're going to take this conv1d LSTM medium speed model, and the first thing we notice is that there is an error message at the bottom. This is because we added the custom unit earlier, but now we've changed the file path of the model, so we can fix this. So you can see in this model, what we have built in is the preprocessor that was used, the network architecture, so you can see what network it is. We also have metrics for the evaluation, so you can see the different aspects, and you can choose the display units, and then this is where you would go to generate the code. But what we're going to do is navigate to our project so we can see the output of the model based on this model. So first, let's filter out by the validation set and pick a file that way. So let's take this one with 5 labels. So what you can see here is we have the time series data as we had before. We have the old and the new pre-processing, and we have the models as well. So the one closer to the top is the old model, and the one closer to the bottom is the new model. We can see that the performance is quite similar, but with the slight variation. So the new model seems to have a higher confidence at some parts than the older one. So at this point, we notice a significant change. So the old model predicted a siren at this point in time, but the new one doesn't do that, which is actually what we expect since the data is not labeled with a siren. So with this, you can actually see how the model reacts to your data set, and then you can zone in on the points where it's doing the right thing or doing the wrong thing and get a deeper understanding of how the model is working and whether it's ready to be deployed in the field.